Welcome to my channel once again. This is WebNora, and I'm going to show you what you are going to do to make more money or to make more call, to get more call from the call you already have claimed into your wallet. Okay, so if you have not subscribed to this channel, please do hit the subscription button below. I'm glad this community is growing, it's really growing, and you guys have been encouraging enough. All right, guys, so I'm going to show you how basically to make more call, create more call from the one you already have, and it's called staking. So you have to stake your call. So I'm going to, I think they give up to 100% of whatever it is you stake. This is likely going to last for like a month. It's not going to be forever. It's going to last for like a month. So we're going to go to the core browser. We are going back to log in into that same place where we claimed our core. So we're going to log into the core browser. Okay, this is where, okay, it's showing now that I have already withdrawn. So what you're going to do, we have to connect to the to the core wallet. Then click on the menu, go to delegate. You see delegate here, click on delegate. So we want to delegate our core. It's more like staking. More like staking. You see, just click on connect wallet, and it connects to your wallet directly. So just what you need to do here now is to delegate your core. So you see deposit and on delegate. So just click on deposit. You can see cake reward rate is 100%. Core reward rate is 100%. Okay, so you have to choose how much core you want to delegate, that you want to stake here. So I have a 7,026. Okay, so let me just delegate 6,000. Okay, let me delegate 6,000, and I say deposit. Okay, it's going to ask for gas fee. It's actually going to ask for gas fee. I hope I have gas fee here. I don't have gas fee, so I'll have to fund this. So the total gas fee is requiring is 0.00895 core. So I have to get gas fee and into this wallet. So guys, I'm going to cut this video, and then I'm going to fund this account with gas fee. Meanwhile, if you need gas fee, you can talk to me. I can easily you can reach me, reach an agreement on how to get you the minimal gas fee. So guys, I already got some core into this account. As you can see, I have 0.009 core. So I'll have to proceed again. I have to proceed to log back in to delegate my core. That's delegation. Then click on connect. So my core is connected right now. So I just you have cake delegate, delegate, and then deposit, and then on delegate. So just click on deposit. Make sure you must have clicked on connect. You must have connected your wallet. Okay, so I have a 7,000 plus here, so just let me delegate 6,000. Delegating 6,000, deposit. So you got to do a smart contract call to collect some gas fee, and the gas fee is 0.008. Let's wait for it to load. Come. It's taking time to load. So gas fee is 0.00008. So I already brought in some call. I have a balance of 0.009 here, so it should be able to take care of the gas fee. If it's not enough, this confirm button will not be active. So just hit on confirm, and then it is submit. It's trying to submit, and then let's see what happens from there. So this delegation, this staking is like 100% reward. So already it has been staked now, and then it starts reading. This is it. It starts reading immediately. I have delegated 6,000 CakeCore, and then the reward has started loading already. So you can come in anytime to claim your reward. Whenever you think you feel like you don't want to stake anymore, just come back here and click on delegate. Okay, on delegate. See, this is core also. You can also delegate your core if you want to. Remember, this is CakeCore. this is Cake, and then this is Core. So you can delegate any of them. They all both have 100% returns when you delegate. That's it up there. So guys, this is basically how to make more money, or how to make more cake from the cake you already have. There's no risk involved. Just delegate it, just take it, and then go rest. It keeps yielding for you. All right guys, so I hope this has been explanatory enough. You guys should just go ahead and do this, and then let's have it from there. So guys, please subscribe to this channel, share this video, like, and then let's keep the ball rolling. You know how to do it.